Yep. There's at least one bass here. That's a good sign. Oh, that's pretty good. Holy crap. Yes. What is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, pull, don't break. Don't break away. Oh, no, it just got dumped. Oh no. No. Don't break. No! That was a big smallmouth. A few things just went wrong there. Oh, I should have brought my net. Got one. Oh, that was in some thin, shallow water. Oh no. Well, I just moved him to a new spot in the creek. Oh yeah, that feels pretty good. Wow. Missing a lot of fish. Oh, is that pretty big? I don't think so. But it's a fish. There we go. That time, I grabbed him early enough. He's... Oh my gosh, I see something in its mouth. I think it's got a crawdad. This guy's pretty full right there. Whoa. Look at that. Decent size for a creek. So there's a certain spot I'm trying to reach. One of my favorite creeks to fish in. It's a small creek that I've done 2 videos on now, and you catch a lot of green sunfish in. Connects into this creek. I've always wanted to kind of make it all the way down to the bottom of it, right where it went into this creek, and so that's where I'm trying to wade to. But I don't know if I'm gonna have time before it gets dark. Oh, I reached it. There you go. So to the left is the creek I love fishing. With all the green sunfish and multi-species. It's a small one, and then to the right is where this one continues on. How cool is that? Forms a pretty good pool over here. Alright, head back now. I switched to a pretty small Ned rig jig head. This is a 15th ounce. And I put about, I don't know, 2 or 3 inch, maybe 2.5 inch grub on here, like a chartreuse color. I think this will do really well in the water, and this is a pretty nice bait company that I got this from, so I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of action with this, but we'll see how this works. I haven't used a larger grub before. I know it's a classic bait. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, it was a little largemouth. Oh. Ow. It's another fish I just missed. Oh, got it. No. I am being extremely weak with my hook sets. What is this? Oh my gosh. That is the 10th maybe more. 10th bass that I missed. Okay, that was a little bit, probably a little bit too hard of a hook set, but after a day like today, it was necessary. Check that guy out. Nice. No way. Green sunfish. I could feel those tiny little taps. I just thought it was a small, little baby smallmouth. Oh, right at the end. Right at the buzzer. Well, maybe I will show this video now. Little smallmouth right at the end here. Try to give it some light. Really pretty. All right, how's it going, guys? Gonna do a creek fishing today, and I am going in the creek that I did the last video on. So I'm like 2 or 3 miles downstream, and I'm gonna head upstream this time. Hopefully hit some really good spots. I'm parked off the side of the road, but I'm near a bunch of businesses, so I'm assuming I'm allowed to be over here. I haven't seen any signs yet, and I'm going for smallmouth. And maybe some other stuff if they're there, but I'm not going to use 2 small baits today. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully I come across some really good fish today. Okay, I'm going to start going off upstream here, and hopefully I don't hit private property. For gear check, I'm using a 6-foot medium light pole. I think it's a Fluger Tryon pole, and I'm using this Lew's MH or Mach 2 200A, and this is 6-pound mono on here. And I'm gonna start off with what I used in the last video, which was a little 2.5-inch chartreuse grub here, twister tail thing, and it's on like a 15th-ounce Ned rig jig head. So that worked pretty well. It's finessey, so should work pretty well today. So last time I was in this creek, I got mauled by mosquitoes. So I'm gonna do a unofficial review here. I acquired some bug spray, some natural bug spray from my girlfriend's mom. So shout out to her. I don't know if she wants me saying her name on camera. She gave me this like lemon oil bug spray, so I will be reviewing that at the same time that I'm fishing. We'll see if these natural bug spray remedies actually work. Oh, that's pretty decent. Stay on. Come on, stay on, buddy. Yes. Wow, much better start than yesterday. I was missing fish left and right. Look at that. Nice smallmouth. Felt a lot bigger than what he was. It's really hard to like cast here though, because it's so shallow. I mean, you guys can probably see it. It's really rocky, but I mean, it's like ankle deep water at times. Oh, this is a deep spot right here. Yes. Oh, that's funny. I knew eventually I was gonna find one of these. This just looked like a clean creek where they would be. It's a rock bass right here. This one's got more black on them than I've seen. Barely could take this lure. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we got 3 different fish species today. Green sunfish. I feel like I catch one of these every time I go out. They're cool though. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I just scared everything away. I don't know if I'm gonna show it, but I was like trying to catch a fish over here, and I almost got him once, but I didn't set the hook, and then I had one more chance to do it, and I almost got him in, didn't set the hook. So I'm gonna be coming straight back to this with the Helgermite right here. I'm gonna walk a little bit upstream and then work my way back. All right, if I don't have this fish, I'm gonna get so angry. All right. Okay, there's a smallmouth. Oh my gosh. I think I need to upgrade my pole here. This one's just a little too flimsy. Beautiful smallmouth. All right, I switched to the classic green pumpkin, natural colored, whatever, Helgermite, on a 1/10 ounce Ned rig jig head. So I know I fish this a lot, but it is probably the best combo for creeks that I've noticed. And there's some pretty finicky bass in here, so, well, I think they're finicky, but there's some big ones. And I'm gonna go through areas that I've already been through, so I wanna give them something different to look at. So let's hope we can get a big one here. Oh yeah. Already, I saw him take it too. Almost immediately. Oh, no, buddy. Okay. Stop. Oh my gosh. Jeez, that is crazy. I don't know what he was thinking. I hope that's not the same one I caught with the grub in this hole. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna cast next to this tree up here. Oh, I'm getting close to houses. Yeah, I'm definitely turning back after I cast a few times over here. Oh yeah. Whoa, that one's fast. Oh, this one's pretty good. Yep. Not bad at all. Come here, big guy. The lure change so far is working really well. Look at that. Ow, he bit me. That's awesome. Man, the smallmouth in here are really, they're almost like golden colored. Awesome. Got it. Got it. Come on. Is it huge? Oh yeah, that's a really good smallmouth. Oh, there's a bigger one following it. Oh, it's not as big as I thought. Probably the biggest today. Okay, buddy, don't. Oh, there we go. Ooh, he's got a chunk on the top of it missing. That's a good one. Definitely the biggest today. Nice. He had a buddy following him as I was reeling him in. Oh, I think I see it. Oh yeah. Let's get this in real quick. See if he'll go for it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's really solid, man. I gotta get it over here. Oh, he's dark. Cool. Cool. Whew. Yes, look at that. That one's like dark brown. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I hope you guys can see that color. It's got to be like about a pound, maybe a little more. This is the biggest of the day so far. Wow. That is awesome. Anything much bigger than that is probably going to break my line. Oh, I got it. Just a little guy. All right, chill. Nice. Okay. This one's pretty small, but all right, I gotta head back. Definitely gonna remember this this wading trip, and I'll try to mark this little hole down. All right, everybody. Back at the little hole here where I missed some fish. And I also saw some pretty big ones, so let's see if the old Helgamite can do me some good here. Confident that it could. I just gotta come in here stealthily. If that's not set, I'm gonna be so angry. Oh. Yes. Not bad at all. There we go. I don't know if that's the big one that I saw. This isn't too big, but at least we didn't lose him. Let him go right here. Oh, there's one. Okay, that should be set too. I don't think it's the same one. No, this one looks a little smaller. This guy got lucky. I was close to his gill. Oh my gosh, is that another one right there? Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, he had my bait for like 30 seconds. Oh, just a little one. Jeez, yeah, that was like really hard to get out. Sorry, buddy. He's a young one. Look at the like yellow on him too. Oh boy. Can this thing get me a few more? I don't think so, but let's give it a try. How much is that? Was that 3 in here? 3 or 4? Now definitely 4. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh yeah. This is the big one in here. Wait, where's my net? Come on, net, stop screwing with me. Yep, this one's pretty good. Come on. Got him. Holy crap. Potentially the biggest of the day right here. Yes, this is the biggest of the day. This is the one I saw in here in this in this little pool. I was just walking by and this guy didn't even notice him, swam right by me. Look at that. That's like at least a 1 pounder right there, maybe 1.5. Really good for this size of a creek. Awesome. Yep. Could this be a largemouth? Nope. There we go. Little guy. Now I'm setting the hook better. I don't know, I was too scared I was gonna snag, so that's why I was kind of being a little light with it. Hook sets, I mean. I think it's just a little guy. Yeah. Oh, pretty strong. Okay, okay. Oh man, he's bleeding a little bit. Hopefully that's just because of it's his cheek. Yeah, I think it's just his cheek. Look at that. Cool. And this is going through the area where I struggled. Couldn't catch a single thing. What is that? Oh, I thought that was a sunfish. Well, technically it is. Cool. Another rock bass. This one's lighter color. This one I'm used to seeing. That color. What? What is that? That's not the one, I don't think. Not bad. Ooh. It's pretty good. Well, it's probably gonna have a sore throat. He swallowed that deep, but it didn't look like it hooked anything. I mean, maybe it did. Nice. Oh, he's ready to go. Alright, let's see if there was something big over there. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it quits. Got that one smallmouth I wanted and then a bonus rock bass. So I'll take that. And I cannot believe I didn't lose my jig head here. It's my lucky jig head. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I gotta say, way better than I expected, especially after the first hour. I was like not feeling good after catching like 2 fish in an hour. It seems to be that farther upstream is where some of the not necessarily the deeper, better holes are, but the more fish are. And that happens sometimes when you kind of get away from, it looks like a pretty popular entrance spot. I don't say this too often, but I hope I can fit all the fish catches today in this video. I don't know, there's a lot. So I am super satisfied, and this is my favorite kind of fishing to do right here. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more creek action videos coming up. See you guys. All right, I gotta say, after today, I really like that natural bug spray. I'm gonna give it a 9.3 out of 10. That's a really high score for bug spray. Thank you to the Big D. That's the hint I'm gonna give for who that is. Thank you for the bug spray. Always good to use natural things on your skin, and natural things you eat, of course. All right, see you guys.